Good Wednesday morning. So before we get started here, we are breaking in some new boots. These are some Survivors from Walmart. They are, I think, 80 bucks. Nice composite toe, all waterproof. These are size 10s, and a real nice finish to them. Nice tread. Seems to be pretty durable. It hasn't, don't have any real sliding issues. My last pair started kind of wearing out on the heel some, obviously. For the most part, it took me a little while to break the other set in where I wasn't chafing my ankles. But I always have a hard time getting that aspect set up on the new boots. So I would say that's more of user error in that aspect. So I just dropped the motors off for Bear to work on. New blades. Got some new 9 new blades ordered off of Amazon. I think 120 bucks for 10 blades. So that's kind of 9 blades. Sorry, that's cool. Yeah, but anyways, well, these boots I've been happy with them so far. I've been worn a wide variety from $250 Red Wings to some cheapy shoes from Ross. So I got some nice little semi supports from like 3/4 supports from a podiatrist, and that seems to really help some of my plantar fasciitis. So that is an issue for me. But use those, and these Survivor boots do have a nice insole as well. And they're relatively, for being a pretty bulky-ish boot to a degree, they are rather well weighted and balanced. It's not super light, not a tennis shoe, it's not a hiker, but it's not a like a shop or construction boot as well. So it's pretty nice boot so far. And I have had 0 issues with water soakage through them, so I've been very happy with that. Obviously, you got some issues with what am I thinking? With socks and everything too, but for the most part, pretty happy. So we're gonna break them in this morning since we got a little bit slower. Not slower, but we're around the neighborhood. But I got some backups with me too, so I can switch if I need to. All right, so we got done with the about 6:15. Got done with work. Decent day. A little bit more done now than I thought. So pretty productive. Start at 10 and get as much done as I could by 6. Got some mist and rain, but nothing major. So pretty cool. So let's look at these boots. I was able to wear these the whole day. This is the Herman Survivors Groundbreaker. There you go. Waterproof full grain leather, oil slipping resistance, and they really are. The only problem I had visibility panels, composite anti-puncture insole board, and I haven't, they're dirty. They're kind of dirty, so this won't be a really great comparison, but I believe these are about maybe 8-9 months old. And so there's a decent amount of tread left, really. They've done good. I just ended up where I'm really wearing out back here. But overall, you can see the difference there. It really seems like they're wearing pretty good, which is unusual for me. This is one of the better set of boots I've seen. So I was just more of getting these better for a backup or for during the summer. Just because I think I kind of wore these in wrong, so I kind of slop over to the side a smidge. You see a little wear back here, and I kind of worn on the inside down there, kind of wore it up. But yeah, overall pretty happy with them so far. This seam is a very good seam right here. I've had no issue with water penetrating through there, and it seals very good up here as well. And the outside has worn really well. So one of the better boots for 80 bucks that I've had, and it's a pretty decent insole as well. Let's see if I can get this one out here for you. Not awesome, but overall pretty decent for what it is. These are the inserts that I put in, and that really helps my plantar fasciitis. But overall, I got some tear and rip here from just landing stuff on there on the toes. This one's kind of worn the most, so this is the only part I was getting slippage on. So but overall, the inside's worn great, outside's worn great, and the soles are wearing pretty good. So I am really impressed with these, and I'm glad to add another pair to the stockpile here. So there you go. That is my review of Walmart's Herman Survivors Outbreakers. I would recommend them for work boots. Give them a try, see what you think. There's a nice shiny newness, and it's really, being a composite toe, very, very strong. No issues. I've had no pinching on there, but very, considering you get the little toe heavy there, obviously, but overall, a pretty light, balanced boots. Just make sure, obviously, you get the right size for your feet, and it's a nice wide. It's not mentioned it's wide, but being a 10, it does have a nice roomy area. It was a little tight on my toes at first. And these are, I forget these are Eddie Bauer socks or whatever from Sam's. I got some Dickies socks from BJ's that work really well in here as well. So that might make a small factor, but overall, I'm very impressed for the price and quality of the boot, and then how long they last. So, 8 months there for $80, $10 a month. You can't beat that for protection for your feet and comfort. So, pretty cool.